you nerd-ass punk!
At least try to sound sophisticated when you threaten someone.
Dost thou wish to engage in a duel, my good bitch?
Somehow that was worse.
I'm tired of you guys getting this wrong for the last time. Repeat after me. De, bu, ze, débusé, de pussy.
Ask, what does big mood mean? Just a simple question, right? What does big mood mean? Something you'll understand when you get tall.
Yeah, fuck you!
It feels like we're on a date.
Because we are.
Okay.
Are we not on a date? Are we not on a date?
I've never seen two mentally stable best friends. So always one of them gotta have extreme depression, and the other one is just good at hiding it.
You want this handful of moss? Why the fuck would I want a handful of moss? Well, shit, you could have just said no.
Aren't you lactose intolerant?
This isn't lactose, it's milk.
You're a fucking idiot.
What year was the War of 1812? The War of 1812! I mean, how many hints do you need? The answer is in the name. What'd you think 1812 was? The fucking address?
If I have 2 beans, and then I add 2 more beans, what do I have?
Some beans.
Yes and no. Let's try again, shall we? I have 2 beans, then I add 2 more beans. What does that make?
A very small casserole.
Baldric, the ape creatures of the Indus have mastered this. Now try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are there?
3.
What?
And that one.
3 and that one. So if I add that one to the 3, what will I have?
Oh, some beans.
My best friend, he's my pal. He's my homeboy, my rotten soldier. He's my sweet cheese, my good time boy.
I would just like to announce that it is Halloween now. This may come as a surprise to some of you given that it is July, but the Council of Spooky Bitches met this weekend, and we have decided that this is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween.
Macy's and Target can put Christmas decorations up in fucking October. I can put Halloween decorations up in August. Fuck you.
You!
Have you ever heard of a mountain chicken? Please don't hurt me. Have you ever heard of a mountain chicken? No. What do you think it looks like? Like a really big chicken?
That's what I thought, but no, it's this motherfucker.
Don't wanna live as an untold story. Rather go out in a blaze of glory. I can't hear you. I don't fear you.
So Grizzy, how's your day?
I will put a gun to my head right now if you ask me that again.
Heartbeat to the beat of the drums.
Oh, what a shame that you came here with someone. So while you're here in my arms, let's make the most of the night like we're gonna die.
It's 3 in the goddamn morning.
What's your favorite color? If you said purple, then you've lost your will to live years ago, and you have immense childhood trauma.
Please, I'm begging you, go to a doctor. I'm sorry, is this our stab wound? Stay out of it.
Looks like a cinnamon roll could kill you. Looks like they could kill you is a cinnamon roll. Looks like a cinnamon roll is a cinnamon roll. Looks like could kill you would kill you.
You don't like me at my worst, then you don't like me at my best. I don't like you at all.
13 seconds before the island fucking explodes, you hot topic wannabe and you blue gumball son of a bitch. You have done nothing but destroy my life. I hope you both die.
Wait a minute. It's all so clear. According to my calculations, I can't read.
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Father said we're not to cry.
That is because Father is incapable of human emotion. You are 10. Cry if you feel like.
And it's only fucking
Tuesday.
I said we were gonna fight and you said what?
Knock my ass out. I need a nap.
We need to put that on like a plaque.
Oh, it's adorable. Oh, it's traumatized.
I think I'm dying. But that's okay. Bimo always bounces back. Not this time. But I'm supposed to save the drift. That's my job. Now your job is to be dead. Oh no.
That's the thing about friends, isn't it? The more you love them, the more it hurts when they go. Allow me to demonstrate.
Do you blame yourself? What? Well, it's quite common in this situation for a patient to feel a kind of guilt. What situation? The accident.
I sacrificed a ton and I was freaking awesome.
Oh, and what did you ever sacrifice?
I gave everything. I gave my whole life.
You died in a hedonistic bender.
I'm not talking about my death. I'm talking about my life. I gave my whole life.
Excuse me? Cute? Did you ask Wacko what it was like being cute? Did you ask Yakko? Did you ask Scratch and Sniff? I will not sit here and be gender stereotyped as cute. That being said, it's great. I was drawn that way.
It's like someone's mad. Go cry about it, bitch.
Damn, son! These bitches want. Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me in a rubber room full of rats, and rats make me crazy.
Working on my brand with no sales, no money, no friends, no bitches, no goals, no father, no job, no social life, no happiness, no love, no purpose.
You mean to tell me that you're gonna be passive with your own and just put it on your story once? Are you fucking crazy, bro? I'm still promoting my album that came out in June. It's a year out, and I'm still out here like, call me if you get lost, like, right? And what I notice is that some of these, the younger guys and girls, they like, oh yeah, I got a song out, and they forget about it. And I'm like, no, let motherfuckers know. Tell people. When I first put the perfume out, dude, I had bags of the sample, just walking up to people like, hi, I'm Tyler, I made this,